Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a copper bottle for the first time. First, it's essential to give your new copper bottle a good initial cleaning. Use warm water and a mild dish soap to wash both the inside and outside. Make sure to rinse it thoroughly multiple times to ensure no soap residue remains. A clean start is key for proper use and maintenance of your copper bottle. Once your bottle is sparkling clean and dry, it's time for its first fill. Pour regular drinking water into the bottle, leaving a small gap at the top. The magic happens when you let this water sit for a period, ideally between 6 to 8 hours. This allows the copper to naturally infuse its properties into the water. Remember, only use cool or room temperature water. After the initial waiting period, your copper-infused water is ready to drink. Enjoy it throughout your day. For daily care, simply rinse your bottle with water. To keep it looking its best and functioning properly, clean it periodically with a mixture of lemon juice and salt. This natural solution helps remove any oxidation and keeps your copper bottle gleaming. Here are a few more important tips for your copper bottle. Always remember to hand wash it. Dishwashers can damage the copper. Also, avoid storing anything other than plain water in it, like milk or juices. For an amazing cleaning experience at home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your copper bottle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.